Okay, this is called Rua Do Branda, and we're going to be going directly up Rua Do Branda right now. Kind of a cool looking street, right? Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rua Do Branda. That looks cool. Really cool looking street. Look at those little balconies right there. And okay, give you a little context. So this goes north. Well, everything is going south from the north. We're on Rua de Enrique de Macau. This is the street we're on. That one right there says Restaurant Kratik is a Thai restaurant, and I heard that was also one of the huge nightlife club a long time ago, maybe 20 years ago, where everybody would go here, 30 years ago even maybe. But they would hang out in this club, and then there was down there was one of the first casinos in Macau was down that way a little bit, called Estoril, I believe. So yeah, this would have been a pretty popular street at one time for nightlife, and then this would also was filled with a bunch of Thai restaurants, and I guess like it's a Thai area. So anyways, this is on this street right here, and that's a Thai restaurant right there. Some other Thai restaurants in here as well, and there's also the one that's down that way a little bit too. So one of the first Thai restaurants that I knew about when I first came to Macau. So we're gonna be walking down Rua Do Branda. You see, I guess we're gonna go this way. It's better if I don't get on the side of the cars. Yeah, what a cool looking street. Rua Do Branda. So I feel like I'm in San Francisco or something, walking up this particular hill. There are hills in Macau because it's an island, right? Okay, let's make an assessment of where we are. I was thinking that could be Thai food. Yeah, it is. So yeah, it is Thai food. There's a Thai flag and there's Thai food, which kind of reinforces that Thai area thing I was mentioning earlier. The other Thai one too. It's kind of cool. It's nice when you say something and then there's even more of it as you continue on. Rua de Victoria. Okay, so we're still walking uphill. Huh. Down there's little stairs to go down further down that way. Cool looking building. Okay, let's keep on going, checking stuff out. Salão de Beleza, San Macau. Ooh, look at that. Oh man. That's a video right there. Okay, we're going to be at the top of this in a minute. Rua Do Branda. Rua Nova Iguia. So now we're at the top of this one. Man, that looks so cool. Looks cool too. Man, cool looking street because you kind of go down like that and you come back up over there. I'm sure that'll change names, but man. This looks so cool. Okay, so I guess we're gonna end this one right here. Chiquinha, chiquinha.